do this. Try it this way a little bit. There was porta potties in the background.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. Roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? Indy, Jamma Jones here with Emily, and today we are out here in Pflugerville, Texas, where there's big open fields because we are going to be playing with one of the forces of nature.
Wind.
Wind! We have a giant kite, and we're going to see if this kite can pull us on our roller skates. Okay, I'm so stinking excited about this because I have been dreaming of this for so long now. One time when I was like 10, I put my rollerblades on and I went outside during a hurricane into a big open parking lot and I had an umbrella. I busted open the umbrella and it carried me completely diagonal across the parking lot until the umbrella broke. But that like 5 seconds of just like cruising with the wind carrying me, it was one of the best memories of my entire childhood. So ever since then I've been dreaming of taking out a kite and trying to get it to pull me, especially since in Long Beach. Have you seen the kite surfers in Long Beach?
Yeah, and I'm super inspired by Avatar: The Last Airbender because he uses wind to make himself go really fast too.
So there's the big kiteboarding kites that pull you in the water, and then there's like the trainer kites, and I've done one of the trainer kites before, but those are still pretty big, and you can like jump up in the air and fly 6 feet. But one time I was like drugged by one because the wind was too strong, and that was kind of scary. So I got a smaller one than that even, and hopefully we'll be able to control ourselves on roller skates. So first thing we got to do though is open this up, get it set up, and practice on our feet first because we've never even flown this thing. So,
baby steps, you got to build it up.
all right, ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. So what we have here is a 2.2 meter sport kite. I got it in Morro Bay at the kite shop. I will also add it to my Amazon influencers list so then you guys can get a kite too. Let's open it up and get her set up. It's rainbow colors, of course, the best.
Roy G. Biv.
Woo! It's already going! All right, cool. Ooh, oops. Oh my gosh! How do we put the strings on? Okay, will you hold that for me? I'm gonna let go, okay? That's the way it wants to be. There we go. It wants us to. Alright, we got it set up. Just throw it in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! And we're flying. Holy cow. This is gonna be scary. Ah! Ah! Okay. So this is resting position. It's straight up. I think I need to be gentler with my pulls. What do you do with your hand? Pretend like it's like, just like this. Okay. And it's not like up like that. It's seriously like you're holding a motorcycle handle straight your butt.
Okay.
I feel pretty confident with it. I think I'm ready to put my skates on. Watch out! Oh. Okay. to bring it down lightly. Yeah, try to bring it down lightly. I don't know how. Oh! I guess that's how it's gonna go down. To be honest, I'm a little nervous of the power lines because we could start way down there and we're in the clear, but if for some reason you get carried, I don't know, and it hits the lines, you're a goner. I guess I'll just be ready to let go, just in case. So.
Gearing up for the wind.
Okay, practice in the grass round 1. In 3, 2, 1. First attempt on concrete. It's gonna be fun. In 3, 2, 1.
Try to go that way. Try to go that way. What if you pulled it that way?
There you go. There you go.
We got it out. Nice job, Indy.
Up. Look, it's around it like 4 times. How did you do that? Oh man.
Oops, sorry.
No, it's all good. I just can't tell like. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see. All right. All right.
Woo! Woo! Freedom.
All right, so I think this is gonna be the time that I really get it going, because I think with this curve and the way the wind's blowing, once I get it going over here, I think I'm really gonna be able to catch it. All right, that's good, Emily. That's good. And go ahead and launch her. 3, 2, 1. Get into resting. Whoa. Okay. Let's do it. much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate. Was that fun, Emily?
It's been real, yeah.
I
real
caught
fun.
I caught the feeling.
I caught the feeling.
The
It hits you. It clicks, and you're like,
So I hope you guys had as much fun watching that as we did doing it. I definitely want to take this somewhere even bigger, even windier, and see how hard we can go with it.
yeah.
So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit up planetrollerskate.shop for all your roller skating needs. If you're looking for a kite, you can get one on my Amazon influencers page linked below. Thank you, Emily, for hanging out with me
You're
today.
welcome, Indy.
Woo! So until next time,
Later,
skaters.
Going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you. Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Yeah. I'm going out of my mind. Out of my mind. Out of my mind. Yeah. For you, my love, you drive me crazy, tell me what to do.